on? How's everybody? Are you excited to be here? I am. Do you know why I am very excited? Because this is the last White House Kitchen Garden harvest for me. The last time I'm going to be here to harvest the garden, and you guys got to come and help me. So I'm really, really happy that you all are here and you're ready to work. But before we begin, I just want to take a moment because since this is our last harvest, we of course want to recognize some special folks. We've got, this is kind of a reunion harvest for us because we've got folks who've been part of making this White House garden a reality with us to help harvest. And I just want to announce some of those people who are here. We've got Sam Cass, who's going to help out. You guys remember Sam from way back. Bill Yassis is here. We have Al Roker. We have our friends from NASA who are here. It's great to see you guys. Will Allen. And I don't know if you can see him. You might miss him, but Alonzo Mourning is tucked in the back. He's very, can you just, make some way? Ashanti is here looking gorgeous. Donna Martin, Kathy Burns. We have our former students from Bancroft and Tubman. Dorothea and Tammy are here. And I just want to take a moment because I didn't give him the recognition that I thought he deserved yesterday. But one of my favorite people at the White House, who has been a tremendous asset to us, not because because he's taken such good care of this garden, but he is the real person who loves and cares for Sonny and Bo. And that is our dear, dear friend, Dale Haney. Right here, Dale, thank you. Thank you for your many, many years of excellent work to make this garden special. I hope you feel as proud of this White House Kitchen Garden as I do, because it wouldn't have happened if it weren't for you, Dale. So thank you. Thank you so much. So the kids who are here today represent so many parts of Let's Move and our programs and initiatives. Let's Move cities, towns, and counties. Let's Move childcare. I could go on, but we are excited that they all could be here today to help us. And we're going to have a few more special guests as well. So we'll keep some of those a surprise. We have Rosita and Elmo who are here with us. Surprise! They are going to be... They are going to commentate the harvest.
Oh, that's true.
They're going to give a play-by-play of everything that is picked and stored and all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
Are you Elmo and Rosita? Are you ready for this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Let's do it.
Are you excited?
Yes. Very excited.
How excited are you?
Very excited.
All right, then all right, everyone, let's get to work. Let's harvest the
garden. Let's go. This is exciting, very exciting. Oh, I can't wait. Elmo hears that Mrs. Obama is going to be harvesting some sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes? Yes. I love sweet potatoes. Yes, hello. Hello there. How are you? I love it. Look at all of them. Welcome, everybody. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Have fun harvesting. What are you going to do? Oh, please pick some tomatoes for me. Oh, yeah, tomatoes are delicious. And cucumbers, they're over there. Look at everybody going. Well, Elmo knows that there's lettuce and peppers and herbs and all kinds of things in there. Yeah, and parsley. Yes. I love parsley and lettuce. Do you know if they have hot peppers? That's a good question. Elmo loves hot peppers. I love hot peppers too. Delicious. Yeah. Can you pick Elmo some strawberries, please? Hey, Elmo. Yes, ma'am. Do you know who's credited by French fries in the United States? Who? Thomas Jefferson. No way. Yeah. Thomas Jefferson? Yeah. Created the French fry and brought it to America? Huh? No, he didn't create them. He brought them to America. Wow. Yeah, I think so. Who's Thomas Jefferson? Excuse me. We were 5 years old, but it sounds like a big name. Who? Thomas Jefferson. Who? I know. Hello? Well, we'll find out. We'll Google it. Yeah. What else?
Wait,
Look
I
at
smell
them.
some olive oil. You smell that?
Yes,
Some kind of really
smells
yummy cooking.
delicious. Do they have mushrooms there?
Oh, yes, they do. I
Yeah.
heard that there was mushrooms.
Yeah, you know that the mushrooms have their own immune system?
They have their own what now?
Immune
Their own
system.
immune system?
No, they don't own. They have their own. Never mind.
They have a home entertainment system?
Yes, yes.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, a whole entertainment
They
system.
sound like fun guys.
You know what? I want to go and see what they're doing.
They're hard at work.
Yeah. Hey, by the way, do you know that the only fruit that with seeds outside is the strawberries?
Really?
Yeah,
The only fruit that's got seeds outside is the strawberry?
yeah. I don't know why, but they have the seeds outside.
Wow.
Yeah. Do they have strawberries there?
Where are the strawberries? I'm gonna see some tomatoes.
Ooh,
Some tiny little
tomatoes.
cherry tomatoes.
Question.
Yes.
Is a tomato a vegetable or a fruit?
Boy, that's a very difficult question. How much time you got?
5 hours.
Well, Elmo heard that it's a fruit.
Oh, good, yeah.
Yes, but don't count on Elmo. Elmo's not really
Oh,
sure.
look, they have nice, colorful baskets.
Wow, pretty.
Do
Well,
you know
you
if
guys
they have garlic? I need some garlic here. There's
Garlic?
mosquitoes.
Oh, yeah, we do. There's lots of bugs. Boy, you know, this is going to make one big salad.
Oh, yummy. I love salads.
Yeah, Elmo too.
What are you looking over there?
Oh, well, Elmo's just observing.
Oh, nice. Let's observe this way.
Okay. Hi,
Oh,
guys.
hi.
How you doing?
What are you doing?
You guys are hard at work, huh?
Oh, look, let me pick up this
What you got?
tomato. A tomatito.
You got a tomato?
Un tomatito chiquito.
Chiquito.
See,
What does that mean?
a little tomato.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, no, there was nothing there.
Oh.
I thought it was a tomato. There's no tomato.
Hey, guys. How you doing?
Hi. What are you doing there?
Are you
oh, they're
enjoying the
green
harvest?
beans. I love green beans.
Elmo too. Green beans are yummy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
They're wonderful.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We are
Green beans.
green beans. Green beans. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, what do you have there?
Hello there. Hi, guys. How you doing? Yeah?
Hi.
Hi. Are you guys having a good day? Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Henry and Gideon.
Hello.
It's so good to see you. Really?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm
Oh, it's
fine
so good
here
to see you.
too. So nice to meet you.
Wow.
Mwah.
Well,
Oh.
sometimes it makes Elmo sneeze.
Ew.
Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, God bless you.
Excuse Elmo.
Bless you.
Excuse Elmo. Okay.
Oh, let me go with you.
Elmo's up. Elmo's up.
Oh. Oh, no. Oh.
Elmo's up.
Nito.
Elmo's up. Sorry.
Are you picking up vegetables?
What kind of vegetables are you going to get?
Hi.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for visiting.
Nice
See you
to
later,
meet you. He's so... Yes.
Okay. Okay. But that was fun.
He was so nice.
He was wonderful.
So, what else?
Boy, this is very exciting, Rosita.
Hey, by the way,
Yes.
I have another one.
You do? Another
you know
fact?
that? Yes. Potatoes were the first food to be grown up, grown in
Yeah.
space.
In space?
1996. That we have some astronauts here, so they
Really?
should know.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, potatoes.
Boy. Elmo wonders what planets they went to.
I don't know.
That's
We
cool.
should ask them, where are they?
What, the astronauts?
You wanted it to be an astronaut, right?
That's true. Elmo wants to be an astronaut.
Yeah.
And a teacher, and an artist, and a harvester.
And a what?
And a harvester.
Oh yes, of course. Yeah. I wish I could be there with them.
I know, Elmo
I'm kind of
too.
stuck in the hay.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, hey, hey. Are you okay?
No. I think I'm allergic.
Oh, boy. Elmo too.
What are they doing here?
Boy, they're hard at work.
They're busy.
Hey, you know what, Rosita? Maybe we should take a look for ourselves.
Yes, I think so.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look and be quiet for a minute.
Okay.
Bye.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it's Mr. President. Hello.
Wow.
Wow.
That's very exciting, Rosita.
I know. It's so special.
It's very special.
Yeah. I'm so glad that he's talking with us.
Boy, this is so exciting. Is almost hair okay?
I'm so excited.
You look good. You look good.
Yo voy a empezar a hablar en
Yo no me
español.
escuché.
Voy a empezar a hablar en español, ya se me olvidó el inglés.
So what?
Nothing. I am so excited. Never mind. Oh, he's harvesting.
Yes, it's very important.
Yes,
It's very important.
very important.
You know what? Maybe you should save up some of those potato facts.
I'm just gonna repeat them.
Okay.
I am so nervous now.
That's okay. They're very informative. It's good to hear them again.
Can you say them for me?
Sure. That's Thomas Jefferson.
What? Who?
Never mind.
Catuelo.
You look wonderful, Rosita. You look really good. The new conditioner is really working.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
Sorry, I'm just looking for tomatoes.
Yes.
Do you
I'm gonna
see a
see
tomato?
I'm gonna see some
I'm
bugs.
harvesting.
I'm gonna see a caterpillar. Completely understands.
We
No
found some
problem.
tomatoes and some mushrooms,
Yes,
and
very excited.
we're local.
Yes.
Here, we can't move over there, but we're here.
Yes. Boy, I'm so excited about all these vegetables. Emma wonders what they're gonna make from them.
A big salad for
A
sure.
big salad, maybe a nice. Elmo hears rumors about a flatbread.
A flat bread?
That's what Elmo heard.
How that works?
Well, it's very flat bread. That's how you start.
Uh,
And then you put
Okay.
vegetables on top of it.
okay.
And then you cook it. And then you eat it.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
It sounds pretty good, right?
Yeah, yeah. I can't wait.
Well, it's very exciting.
So tell me, can you rhyme anything with orange?
Yes.
Okay, give me one.
Schmorange. How's that?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
How about you?
I don't know.
No.
No.
Wait, Elmo, you know what Elmo found out? Rosita?
Yeah?
That because there's all these mosquitoes here.
Yes.
You see all the bugs?
Wait, we need something,
Caterpillar
right?
thing?
Yeah, yeah.
But you know what
Caterpillar-
works?
What?
Garlic. Garlic helps get mosquitoes away.
Really?
And you know what we don't have?
Garlic. yeah, I heard that.
Well,
But
that's
do you
okay.
think the mosquitoes just go because
yeah,
of the
well, apparently.
smelly?
That's what Elmo's mommy told him.
Pooey.
Woohoo!
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Did I tell you about the mushrooms?
Yes, you did. We've established the mushrooms. We've established the French fries
And the
America.
potatoes.
We've established strawberries are the only fruit without seeds or something.
No, now we're leaving.
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
How are you guys?
Good, thanks.
Good, and you?
Good time to move.
Take our time.
Oh.
Okay. We'll improvise some more. We'll just do some. What now?
Oh,
We'll just do some improv.
Okay.
Can you give us an
So-
illustration and a situation?
let me look. Oh, look, a mushroom. I see a tomato too.
You see it?
And and a quarter.
Oh, a quarter. Wow!
We're going around.
You want yours?